In this video, you'll learn how to book last-minute services on Wecasa. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from logging in to confirming your booking for services like cleaning, massage, hair, or beauty treatments. Start by navigating to the Wecasa website or opening the Wecasa app on your device. If you are not already logged in, you will need to enter your credentials. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. After entering your email and password, click login to access your... Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Here, locate the service category that suits your needs, such as cleaning, massage, hair, or beauty. Click on the desired category to proceed. This action will take you to a new screen displaying various services available within that category. After selecting the service category, click on the specific service you need. For instance, if you chose massage, you will see different types of massages offered. Select the one that fits your requirements. This will bring up a detailed description and options for that service. Next, enter your full address in the designated field. This step is crucial as it allows Wecasa to find professionals available in your area. After entering your address, proceed to choose the earliest available date for the service. If you need the service on the same day, select today's date, provided it is available. Once the date is set, you will be prompted to pick the earliest available time slot, review the options presented, and select the closest time shown. This is important for last-minute bookings as it ensures you get the service at your desired time. After selecting the time, take a moment to review the pricing information displayed on the screen. Next, choose your payment method from the available options. Ensure that you have your payment details ready, as this will be needed to confirm your booking. After selecting your payment method, click on Book My Session to finalize the booking. This action will initiate the confirmation process. After clicking to book your session, a loading indicator may appear as Wecasa checks for available professionals in your area. Wait for the confirmation message, which indicates that a professional has been assigned to you. This process may take a few moments depending on availability. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.